My name is Keith Lord, owner of Strategy 14. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hoshigaki. Hoshigaki is a Japanese traditional method of drying persimmons. Goes great with anything. It really tastes like fall. So the first step in making Hoshigaki is taking a ripe persimmon, traditionally a hachiya. Can be done with fuyus, can be done in any stage of ripeness. The result will just add to the flavor. There is a traditional method of doing it. However, there is no right and wrong way. First step, take ripe persimmon, leave the leaves on, peel as close to the leaves as you can, getting underneath them as much as possible, and then just make nice, uniform peels. Once peeled, we're going to tie them. We're going to tie them with twine. This one has a stem, so we're going to tie the stem. We're going to tie them two together and then hang them from there. This one doesn't have a stem, so I'm going to use an eyelet screw right in the center where the stem would have been. Screw that in. Now that they're tied, we're going to hang them. You can hang them on a clothesline or on a series of dowels. Hang them in a window with a little bit of airflow. They'll sit for one day untouched, allowing the air to get around the outside. Starting on day 2, we're going to massage the persimmons, and not really gently. And we're going to give them a real good massaging to let loose on the liquid, to break some of the sugar cells and the cells of the fruit inside. After just a couple days, you'll notice a change in the texture of the fruit, but we continue to massage it once a day, every day for a month. Continuing to break down the fruit, the sugar cells, the liquid. Day 7, fruit is softened. Continue to massage, break down the cells, a jelly-like feeling to the outside. They start to get a little tacky. That tackiness will then soon dry and the sugar will start to bloom. So after 30 days, this is what we're looking for. Sugar's bloomed on the outside, fruit is firm, still a little soft in the center. Here's our finished product. To serve this, simply shave it thin, similar to a truffle.